Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Skill Evolution. So today we are going to discuss about rule of thirds. In this further video, you will get to know what is rule of thirds, how the rule of thirds is used in various segments, and third part, how we can use this technique in our design process. So let's get started. So guys, what is rule of thirds? The rule of thirds is nothing but a division of any artwork in 9 equal parts. Rule of thirds says that the main subject of your artwork is placed on these 4 intersecting points. If it's clear, let's get this theory easier with the examples. So in this image you can see this main subject is placed on rule of thirds grid intersecting point. So get a rule of thirds grid, you can go to crop tool, and in this crop tool you can go to set the overlay option for the crop tools, and here you can select rule of thirds grid. Here we have lots of grids, but I am selecting the rule of thirds grid, and here clicking on this image, and here boom, we can see this the main subject, the sphere, is placed in rule of thirds grid intersection point. We have some another examples. In this matte painting, the castle is the main subject and this is also placed in intersection points of this grid. And I have some another matte painting. In this also these buildings are placed in intersection points of this grid. So just a second, I have video for you to explain more. And here the main two subjects are also placed in rule of thirds grid. Like this only we have to create our own design with the help of rule of thirds technique. So let's get started. So I have opened Illustrator and created a artboard of 1280 pixels by 720 pixels, and after that first we have to create a rule of thirds grid, and for creating that we have to create a rectangle of an artboard size like this. So is it 1280 pixel by 720 pixel? Yes, 1280 pixel by 720 pixel. And after that select artboard, align it to the center, and go to object, path, and split into grid. After that we have to increase the number of rows to 3 and increase the number of columns to 3. And let's see the preview. Yes, we have got the, let's get a copy of this grid because I am using this copy in our design further. So select this grid. For converting into guides, you can go view, guides, and make guides. But here is the shortcut for that is Control plus 5. Easy peasy. So first I am adding the artwork. I have an artwork here. So I am adding this artwork in this intersecting point of this rule of third. Okay, the text. So how to use, I am putting it here and selecting the font called Resolve Sans. Okay, it looks better. And after that copying this text by holding Alt and typing rule of thirds and selecting a font for this text is high voltage. Okay, high voltage, yes. After that scale it down, and okay, middle align, I have middle aligned both to each other. Okay, it seems better, it seems good. And after that let's change this I into question mark. Question mark. Question mark. So we can link this question mark into this artwork. It's upon you. If you want to do, you can, but for now I think this is better, and I think it links with each other. Okay, and now what we can do, let's color it. Yes, let's take this as an yellow color, this dark yellow color. And let's take this as this blue color. Okay, looks good. And I'm adding some another text in your design. So I'm selecting Montserrat, the favorite font of mine, and let's place it here. Yeah, done. And let's convert it to outlines. You can right click on it and create outlines, but here is a shortcut for creating outlines, that is Control Shift O. So we can now align it with each other, and yeah, it seems good. Taking a rectangle, long rectangle as a stroke, we can add also a stroke, but selecting this blue color, and I'm copying this to this much area is okay, and here select both. In short, I'm creating a blend of these two objects. So what we can do is go to object, here blend or make, uh, like this, or just select this blend tool here and click on these both objects, so it will blend this point to this point. But what we can do is, I want some spacing in between, so double click on blend options and smooth, select smooth color to specified steps, and I am creating 5. Yeah, let's see preview. Okay, it seems nice, but I think 6 will be good. Let's take it to the 7. Okay. Yes, 7 might be seems good. Okay, the next process is double click and go into the isolation mode of this blade and select this rectangle, and I'm decreasing its opacity to 0, so we can get this nice fading blend art. So, and after that we have this grid to, as I said, I will use this in our design. I have off the fill and sorry group center align to the artboard. Let's decrease the stroke value, and after that arrange and send to back command. Okay, let's see how is it look. It seems good. So here is the subject, and let's play with this text. Let's send it back of this grid line, sorry, arrange and send to back. Okay, and it seems good, but let's select all of this and shift here. Okay, it looks good. Okay, here one thing we can do is adding circles like this. Okay, let's make it red. Okay, just a second. Yeah, and here one. Yes, it will seems good. Yes, it will. It looks nice, and it's upon you how you can present it. My today's goal is to discuss with you what is the rule of thirds, how we can use in our design, and okay, I hope you have liked this video, and so please do subscribe because it's totally free. Thank you.